Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of George's videos. Please subscribe and like.
I think it's done. So I've got two jewellery box hinges, some screws, a couple of springs, a couple of screws, nut bolts on the window like that. You squeeze it and then you can slide the window along and let go and then shut it. I think that might work. I shall paint these screw heads black and those nuts, little nuts there, black. And don't mind if you see the springs. I shall go down and fit it tomorrow. This is what the catches look like, and you squeeze them like that to open a sliding window. And as I say, the plastic broke. I'm going to remove this one and fit the one I've made and see if it works. I'll catch it. The catch works absolutely spot on. You can see how and it grips on there. God, it's much better than the original. Absolutely brilliant. Really chuffed about that. So if the others break, I know what to do. Yeah, really, really good. Next little job is the gas locker catch. Got bent. There's two on it. There's one that end and one this end, and I've had to put it in the vise and a pair of pliers and straightened it. So hopefully that will fit. And Joe's doing some work on the van, sanding some of the rust at the back door. I'm going to paint and just do odds and jobs today. That's the gas locker clamps fitted. Yeah, not hinges, they're clamps. Yesterday when we were down the motorhome, we've resealed the roof again and the other sealant strip, and also all the way around the glass. You can see we've gone a bit mad with the sealant. I need to tidy that up. Now I've got to do a bit of sanding. Found a little hole here and then beginning to flake off where the rubber seal is. So I'm going to put some treatment on that, and then we'll see if we can spray some of this. Back down the motorhome, working on the paintwork. Just put some fiberglass filler in there, and there's little bits where stones have gone through it at the front, and there's a little hole here I've filled fiberglass, and as I said, we resealed the windscreen, and there's a bit at the back where it's been bumped in the past on this corner. Has been resprayed once, so I intend to spray that in, and then these bits around the window. And Jane's working hard. Gosh, it looks so much better already, doesn't it? Just by wiping it down. I think we'll have to keep on top of this painting lark, because you can see this has been done here. Look, it's been here, it's cracked. There's been some filler work done, I think. Just wait for the sun to come round and warm the van up a bit. I've got the tins in the window, on the window of the Fiat, warming up in the sun. The sun's coming around now. Yeah, it's a lot clean already. Okay, I resprayed this, and up here it's not the best match, and a bit of the bonnet. Resprayed this along here, some of the bonnet, up this pillar, bit of the wheel art I've sprayed this door, and then on this door, for some dark reason, it's reacted. And this corner here I've sprayed, and a bit down that side. But it's not too bad. George sitting on a bench called Bye for Now.
Bye-bye.